Well, it looks like Honda said, sorry, Mexico, but eat all the D's. As Honda is moving their Honda Civic production that they were going to be building that in 2027 in Mexico, and they are going to be building it right here in the US of A. We're seeing a lot of this. We're seeing a lot of these type of moves coming from companies. The only one that I haven't seen really heavy push yet is BMW. I mean, they already build the SUVs here, but there was some talk of maybe moving a 5 Series or 3 Series production here, but nothing's materialized on that. Honda and Toyota have been the biggest proponents of that. Toyota, I don't know if you know this or not, makes the most American truck you can buy right now. Yeah, I said that. Toyota makes the most American truck you can buy right now. Ram is a close second, and Chevy and Ford are Chinese and a bunch of other countries. They're not even American anymore. It's like 30%. It's not even anywhere near half, and that's a damn shame. But that's going to change because these tariffs that are coming into place are going to change things, and that's why I think Honda made this move. They don't want to pay, an extra 25 if the trade war heats up. They don't want to pay 25, 50, 70% on their cars. They just want to get them built and get them sold. They'd rather spend more money on labor for it to be built here in the United States, get the tax breaks that are going to come with the Transportation Freedom Act. As long as those parts and stuff are sourced here, Honda can do it because Toyota's done it before. They do it with their Tundra right now, so it wouldn't surprise me to see, Honda with that Civic being built right here in America, having over 75% of their parts, labor, and assembly done right here, which would, net them a 200% tax cut. And, what is on employees that make up to $150,000 or less. They had to make less than 150 grand. So it is a big incentive for companies like Honda with the Transportation Freedom Act, but we'll see what happens with that. But it's just another key thing, man. I saw the president hinted at it on the Stellantis side today when he was buying his Tesla and meeting with Elon Musk, talking about the factory in Mexico. He was talking about Stellantis. They were building up a factory there, and that's all come to an end. They suspended expanding the Saltillo plant because they're going to move a lot of that production back here to the United States, just like Honda has done now with the Honda Civic. So if you're a Honda fan, I don't know if you're happy if they're going to build them here in America, but it's coming. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.